In the quest for a healthier home environment, the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor emerges as a beacon of innovation. This compact device is your gateway to understanding and controlling the air quality within your smart home. Real-time monitoring. Experience the power of instant feedback. This monitor tracks various pollutants and allergens, providing you with immediate data on the air quality. No more speculating or reacting to symptoms. You'll know exactly when it's time to take action to improve your indoor atmosphere. Remote access. With the convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity, you're no longer tethered to your home to check its air quality. Whether you're at the office or on vacation, a simple glance at your smartphone will reveal the air quality status of your home. Adjust settings or turn on air purifiers remotely, ensuring you always return to a breath of fresh air. Smart home integration. This monitor is designed to play well with others. It effortlessly integrates with your smart home setup, communicating with other devices to create a responsive environment that adapts to changes in air quality. User-friendly design. Setting up the monitor is as easy as connecting to your Wi-Fi. Its user-friendly interface and low-maintenance sensors mean you can enjoy peace of mind without the hassle of complicated configurations or frequent upkeep. For those seeking to elevate their home's air quality, the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor is an indispensable tool. It's not just a product, it's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Curious to learn more? Reach out to me through the email on my page. I'll respond within 24 hours with comprehensive information about how this monitor can transform your living space. Breathe better, live better.